everybody. I'm Molly from Projects by Molly, and I am so excited to share with you my team tracking tool this week. This is a tool that I recently created, and I'm really excited to share a little bit more background with you about how to use it and why it exists. Now, if you don't have a copy of my team tracking tool just yet, that's okay. Head on over to www.projectsbymolly.com/resource library, and you can download a free copy of it today. I'll also put a link in the show notes if you want a shortcut. Once you have it, pop open this video and I'll lead you through. So this is my team tracking tool spreadsheet. And this actually came out of a project I was working on a while ago where I was designing a workshop for first-time supervisors. I had a great collaboration with my friend Julie, who I've known since middle school, and we had a lot of fun. And my portion of the webinar was to talk about how do we define goals as a team, and furthermore, how do we track them? So I designed this spreadsheet. You can see at the bottom there are a couple of different tabs. So the one that's open right now is the sample tab, which has some data on it. The team tracking tab is right down here at the very bottom of the screen. That is mainly blank for your use. The lists tab shows some of the magic behind the scenes, like all my other sheets. But the team tracking sample is where I'm going to spend the most time on this video to show you what it looks like. So the way this works is every goal that you have for a team is represented in these colored bars here. So I've got a sample one here of increasing revenue by 10% in 2021, or increased staffing by a similar amount. Now, because I'm using Excel, I have everything grouped into an outline view. So if you go over to the top left-hand corner, you can click on these numbers 1 and 2 to expand or collapse the outline as needs be. So I find this is a really nice sort of overall way to track all of your goals. And then beneath each goal, you'll see I've got a number of different objectives. So these would be things that are related to the goal that various people need to achieve. So for example, for this first one, increasing revenue, there would be a monthly newsletter, and that would be something that marketing would do. I've got a priority column where you can state just high, normal, and low, and also a status column where you can indicate whether you're in progress, waiting on someone else, or complete, or not even started. So the idea here is that across the team, you might have different people who need to own different bits and pieces of your goals. And this is a great way to kind of keep everybody on the same track and to have one place to report out to in terms of who's working on what, is something stalled, or is the work in fact complete. Now, of course, there's a lot more detail that you could add on to this. You could add in some comments, you could add in a percent complete. But what I like about this is that it's meant to be a very, very high level roll up. So especially for folks who are just getting started managing a team, this can be a really easy outline for you to use to help you kind of think through everything that needs to be done and everyone who needs to contribute. Thanks for joining me for walking through the team tracking tool. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a like on YouTube or subscribe to my channel. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, where I post videos and add other content as well. So thanks again. I hope this was helpful and have a great day.